Hey, it's shortly after 10. We now have 6 inches of snow from the system. You can see the box I made. Path to the box. But overall, pretty good event so far. Probably another couple of inches. Should lighten up after we get out of these meso bands. But overall, definitely not a bust, definitely not, and maybe we still have the wraparound to go, so it should be pretty interesting, but overall I'm happy with what we got. Over to our east, they got slammed. Connecticut, Long Island, they're getting hit right now pretty good. But flake size is not too shabby at all for this system. Not at all. Here, I'm gonna take the measuring stick here, and I will measure, or try to attempt, with one hand. Second. Okay. As you can see, about 6 inches right now at 10. Definitely not too shabby. And the ratio, yeah, definitely over 10 to 1. That is for sure. But this is the 10 p.m. update on the system for February 8th, 2013.